In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to use a page builder with your indie web theme. Sometimes you just want a little bit more control over your home page. And to do that in WordPress, you can use a page builder plugin. So we're going to click on Simpress, go to our dashboard, hit Appearances, and under that is Plugins. I'm going to hit Add New, and I'm going to search for the Elementor Page Builder plugin. Now there's a lot of page builder plugins out there. But if you're taking this class for credit, we paid for a site license and we'll send you a key. And everybody else who's following along, you're welcome to use this, not use it, or play along and follow the tutorials. So under the settings, you do get some global options that you can check out, like changing the font sizes across the board or the different widget sizes. So you have that as well, and now we can go and edit our website. So if you click on Visit Site now, you'll see an Edit a Page with Elementor. So I'm going to click on that. And you have a few options here. If you click under Settings, you can choose you'll have your default setting, which is what the Simpress theme or 2016 Indie Web theme came with, and you can change that by going to Settings here and choosing if you want the full width, no sidebar, Elementor full width, or Elementor canvas. I'm going to go with Elementor full width, and now you see I have nothing here except my menu up top, my header menu, and I can control that in how I go to customize. But I can click plus now here, and you have some options. This is where you need to pause, like seriously pause. Get a piece of paper, quickly sketch out what you want your website layout to look like. When you're done, you can hit unpause and come back. Really, it will help you think about how to use the page builder. I have my layout in my head, and I'm going to start with a block here, and I can then add things to this by clicking on the plus sign. And over here, I get the option of images, videos, text editors, icons, and I'm going to pick an image. So I can choose my image and insert that here. And now there you go. I have that picture right there. I can also change the style and background of the image and right here. And now I have a white square there as well if I want. Then below, I wanted a set of icons. I can do this, pick my 3 boxes. If I click over here, I get my default colors and options and fonts. And then, for example, if I want to just drop in an icon, I have a couple choices. So I'll do a sticky note, and again, I can change the background. Oops, by clicking on Style and choosing my background color there. There's the icon color. And I think I should be able, on the box, I can now edit the column and change the column color if I want. And so I can go through, I can add in each of my icons by just dragging them in. Talk about my travel, because maybe I'm doing a travel blog. I can then change my colors, choose whatever I want, use a hex color if I want. I can, mess with the margins, the padding, the sides, the backgrounds. And I can go and change the column as well by clicking on that. So I will change that style, pick a different color. And finishing it off. But here I want to add in a button. And I can make that change to Visit Me. And add in a link to my website or to my About Me page on this website, an internal link. And then down below, I can now add in my 3 columns of posts that I wanted, but I want to highlight one post more, so I will put that there. I can go down to my WordPress options and select in the recent comment. Oops. I can then go in and select I want my recent posts to come into here. And then I'll have my the number of posts. I can just title this in a way I want. My rambling. And notice we can't see it again because we have that background image. So I'm going to go in and add a style, and we'll add in a background type. I can add in gradients, or I can make it on hover, but I'll just put it in white for now. And if you wanted to add some opacity to that, you could always do the custom CSS right there with the Pro account, or just use your custom CSS in WordPress customizer. So I'll go over here. On this side, I want to add in my H card, so I can drag that in there. Where'd that go? Here's my author H card, so I want to put that there. And then I want to add something in the third box. Oh, but I need to change that background. So we change a column again, change that style. And we can switch the color. And that's it. So that's pretty much how you would use the Elementor page builder. And we're going to use this in class quite often to make about me pages, or you might want to, you basically will be in charge of your entire website to design it any way you want. You can make it as ugly as this one that I just did, or you can do them in any way, shape, or form that you desire. That's what it means to be in charge of your own domain.